I'm going to show you how to install VSCode aster right in VSCode. Quick, simple, painless. Let's dive in. First, we need to install Docker with get.docker.com. If you're under WSL, it's gonna wait 20 seconds, then Docker gonna be installed. Once Docker is installed, you have to make yourself into the Docker group with sudo usermod -a g docker $user, which is basically the user you use. Then new group, docker, to refresh the groups, and docker ps. As you can see, you can use docker without sudo. Clear everything. And now the first requirement is cave. Cave, which is the binary we open sourced onto GitHub under Simvia Tech Cave. You can find a README, and under the README there is an installation place where you can find a quick install one-liner script just right here. Copy it and then paste it on your terminal. This script gonna install Cave under any Linux system. Cave is like a helper script that run codaster everywhere easily. With Cave help, you can see the available commands. And with Cave available, you can see every codaster version you can use with Cave. And as you can see, there is a lot. So, if you pick like the last one, you can just type Cave, use the version you want. And it's gonna ask you, do you want to download this version? And of course, yes, we want to download this version, so let's install it. The version can be quite big, so be patient and download the things. Once everything is installed, you can just go onto VSCode and Extension Marketplace. If you go to Codaster, the first one, it's us. So it's installed. And one last requirement is a Python environment with these three dependencies: NumPy, PJLS, and metcoupling. In our case, we want to make sure there is a dedicated environment for this. So you can grab your Python version and install virtual environment for this with Python, your version, -venv, which stands for virtual environment. You install it, and then with Python 3, -m, venv, and the place where you want to put your virtual environment. In our case, .venv. You can just source it to install it with source.venv/bin/activate and install the dependencies with pip install numpy, pip install pgls, and pip install metcoupling. If you want to make sure the environment selected one by VSCode is the right one, you just pick your path, like here under valve bin, as you can see, there is a Python 3. And I copy this path, I'll go under VSCode aster settings, and under the settings, there is an executable path, which is the right one here. So let's go with a quick showcase about VSCode aster. If I take my demo folder, right here, copy folder, under test, I got a demo file. And as you can see, .com got now a codeaster icon. And yes, there is color syntaxing under .com file within codeaster. But not only, you can also see 3D model right into VS Code with 3D groups and everything you put. At Simvia, we hope you're gonna love to use VSCode aster. We worked really hard on this and now it's live.